In this tutorial, I will show you on how to blur your photo background with Android app, photo editing. So let's get started. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about photo editing with Android phone. With that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to blur your photo background in Android, the very top photo editing app. And the app we are going to use here is called Photo, this app right here. So if you don't have this app successfully download and install on your phone, what you need to do is to simply head over to your Play Store right here, click on Play Store. And on getting to your Play Store, come to the address bar right here and type in Photo. Then click on Search. So you have the app right here. So what you need to do is to simply download and install the app successful on your phone. It's an AI photo editing app. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed the app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Open. All right, so the app interface is going to look like this. There are various tools that you can use to edit your photo with this app. But what we are going to look at into this tutorial is how to blur your photo background with this photo app. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on More right here. Then you have to simply scroll down to the bottom. So you can see a lot of tools here. So navigate to BG Blur. Then from your phone album, you can simply select the photo you want to use. So I'm going to use this image right here. Then immediately you upload the photo, then you have to wait for the AI to recognize the picture and creating a blur background from the picture. Okay. Okay, so you can see the result right here. Now, what we can do here is that we can control the radius of the blur with this slider right here. Now, let's say, for instance, if the blur is much, you can simply turn it down. Then you can see the more we turn it down, the more the background becomes visible. But if I want to blur it 100%, you can simply increase it, then everything blur 100%. You can also control the percent to something like 80. Everything depends on how you want the photo background to be blurred with just your Android phone. Once you're satisfied with the result, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this check mark right here to simply accept the transformation. Then it takes you to the AI editing homepage. Next thing you can do here is to simply click on save right here just for you to save the image. So click on save. Boom. So successfully saved into my phone gallery. So I can exit from the editing app right here and head over to my phone gallery. So right here, we have the image right here. So take a look at it. So this is the blur image right here. And let me quickly show you the original image. So right here, this is before and this is after the background has been blur right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to blur your photo background with just your Android phone without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about photo editing app with your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.